Gwalia Recovery in North Wales has recently upgraded its workshop to improve the services it provides to customers and maintain its own fleet. The team has added several pieces of equipment from Totalkare to enhance their vehicle inspection and repair capabilities. The upgrades include Totalkare's T8DC cable-free mobile column lifts. These lifts, with a capacity of 7,500 kilograms per column, are adaptable for a range of vehicle sizes. Gwalia now has 2 sets of 4 columns, allowing for more flexible and efficient operations. A 16-meter vehicle inspection pit, custom-built by Totalkare, has also been installed. Made from durable steel, it includes an air-operated twin-ram pit jack to support a variety of tasks during inspections and repairs. Additional tools, such as shaker plates and radius plates, help identify issues with steering and suspension. A DVSA, approved in-ground brake tester, ensures accurate brake checks, while a headlamp tester ensures vehicles meet lighting requirements for road safety. These upgrades enable Gwalia Recovery to carry out comprehensive, reliable inspections and repairs, ensuring high standards for both customers and their own fleet.